Do you want to create a brand new or an additional Facebook account? Or I prefer that if you're creating the account for the first time, you're going to download or install the Facebook app onto your device. So open the app when it's installed and then hit Create New Account option. If you've already got an existing account, from the menu, scroll down and log out of your account and then hit Create New Account. And you will end up in the same section. Just hit Create New Account. First, you'll be prompted to put your first and last name. Just write it down and then hit Next. Now, you're going to select your date of birth, day, month, and year. When you're done, just hit Next. The next in here, you're going to select your gender and then just tap on Next. Now, you'll be prompted to put either your mobile or email address in here. That'll be used to log into your account. So I'm going to use my mobile number and then just hit Next. Now you'll be prompted to create a password for your account. Just make sure to use a strong password to secure your account. Tap on Next. And then you're going to agree to Facebook terms and conditions. Just in case, if you got other accounts previously logged into the same device, you might be prompted to log into any of them. If you're seeing this like me, just select Continue Creating Account. Now to verify, a confirmation code will be sent to either your email or phone number, whatever you've chosen before. If it's a phone number, as you can see, usually it's sent to the WhatsApp account created by that number. Now, just in case if you didn't get it, just hit Didn't Get. And then you can use another way like SMS to send you the code. And when you get it, just put it down to verify yourself. Now trust me, your account is created, the hard part is over. Next, some usual prompts will be on your screen, like you can add a picture for your profile right now. You can also do it later. I'm going to just use one of the photos on my camera roll. When you're done, just tap on Done. And that's it. You will see Welcome to Facebook. Tap on Next. And then some prompts will keep coming onto your screen. Just hit Continue. You'll also have some friend suggestions. You can start adding your friends from here or just skip it for now. Now, as a two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to add another verification method or source, like either phone number or email. You can just add that right now or skip it and add them later. As you can see, your account has been created. You can just go to your profile, either explore it, or you can just go ahead further, customize it, whatever you want. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.